her to stay. And I know it's gonna take her further down the line. Train gonna come. My baby's 42, baby, on the next train out of town. So now, boy, you best believe it, I won't be around. Thought that I would be just fine. Now I'm getting things straight. Only thing that's running through my mind, Lord, I hope that train is late. Train gonna come, take her away. Losing my mind, making her to stay. And I know it's gonna take her further down the line. Train gonna come. When the train pulls in the station, Lord knows she'll be gone. 'Cause we've got a reservation, and I'll be all alone. Thought that I could change her mind, well, begged her not to go. Now I know that I was wasting my time when I heard that whistle blow. Train gonna come, take her away. Losing my mind, begging her to stay. And I know it's gonna take her further down the line. Train gonna come. Train gonna come, take her away. Losing my mind, begging her to stay. And I know it's gonna take her further down the line. Train